Number 2. Vacmaster VBV1210 Wet Dry Vacuum. If you're in need of a heavy-duty ash vacuum, the Vacmaster VBV1210 is a solid choice. With its large capacity and versatile functionality, it's a great option for handling both solid debris and wet messes. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its foam filter, specifically designed to tackle wet messes with ease. Combined with its ability to lift away and function as a blower, this model offers a level of versatility that sets it apart from the competition. The noise diffuser attachment helps to reduce the sound of the powerful 10.5 amps of suction power, making it quieter than other similar models on the market. Additionally, the 4 nozzle attachments and 2 extension rods ensure that you can easily clean up any mess in your space. While this vacuum can't pick up hot ashes, it's a safety precaution that's common among ash vacuums. The slightly higher price point may be a turnoff for some buyers, but the large drain port for easy liquid disposal in the 12-gallon canister is a convenience that can't be overlooked. Overall, the Vacmaster VBV1210 Wet Dry Vacuum is a top choice for those in need of a heavy-duty ash vacuum that can handle a variety of messes. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful cleaning tool, this model is worth considering. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.